Hi, this is Ramu, Dean Skill Development, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. In the series of FANG interview questions, today we are going to see the new problem. The problem is valid parenthesis. Before going to the detailed description of the problem, we'll see that the companies ask the same question in their interview process. See here I mentioned the top companies like Amazon, Facebook, Google, Microsoft, all the companies ask the same question in their interview process. So we'll see the problem statement. The problem statement is very simple. Here, a given string contains just the characters. See, they're going to be the one string, right? That string contains these characters only: function brackets, flower brackets, and square brackets, right? And determine that the input string is valid. Right? A input string is valid if the open bracket must be closed by the same type of brackets. Right? Open brackets must be closed in the correct order also. Is this clear? So, here the task is, for example, they'll give the brackets like this. Then you should say that yes, the string is balanced. So, you should return the true. Right? If your string is like this, then you open with function brackets, but you closed with square bracket. Both are mismatched, right? Then you should return the false in this case, right? Same like that. See, if you open in here, number of open function brackets are same, right? Here and here, but if you observe that order is different, right? So if you open square bracket, so you should close the respective square bracket only. But here, if you observe these two are not balanced, right? How to find out whether the given string is valid or not? Means, is it balanced or not? See, this is the given an example, right? So here is open function bracket and closed function brackets. You just cancel these two, and open square bracket and close square bracket and open close. It's valid, right? That is why you should return the true as your output. Got it? And for example, if your input is like this, see, these two are valid, but this is not valid, right? So you should return the false as your output. How to solve this problem? See, the balance parenthesis is a application of stack. By using the stack, you are going to solve this problem, right? Here, the stack is a first in, last out. This is the principle it is going to follow. Here, what I am going to do here, observe clearly. When I get an open parenthesis, I simply push into the stack. When I will get closed parenthesis, then I am going to check. Whether the top of the stack is respected open parenthesis or not. See, for example, if you observe this one, here I am going to take that one example. What is that? Here my one stack is there. Right? Here in this stack, observe clearly. First I am going to pause this valid string. Here what I am going to do here, see, first I am going to, if I have an open parenthesis, I simply push into the stack. When I get a closed parenthesis, right? This is a closed parenthesis, right? When I get a closed parenthesis, I just pop the one character top of the stack from the stack, and I compare this, right, with respective of the particular closed parenthesis, open parenthesis. Closed parenthesis respective of the open parenthesis. So now I got that function closed parenthesis, right? Then I need to check with whether it is equivalent to this one or not. Yes, the both are same, right? Then I simply pause the process, remove that one, and I move to the next bracket. What is the next one? Square bracket, right? And next I got the closed square bracket. So what is the respective open bracket for the open square bracket for the square bracket or closed square bracket? It's a open like this, right? So both are same, right? Then you simply remove that one. And here also same, right? And I simply remove this one. And end of the string, you need to check that whether your stack is empty or not. If the stack is empty, then only you should return the true. Now we'll check with this one. Here, if you observe this one, open parenthesis, right? I got a closed parenthesis, then I simply remove this one. Both are matched. Next, I insert the square bracket and see. Now this time I got the closed function bracket, right? What is the respective open braces? This one. But here square brackets, both are mismatched, right? Then I should say that this is not balanced. Then you should send the false of this particular output of the given input. Got it? Now we'll see the implementation. How we're going to solve this problem. So this is the Leetcode problem. So this is a statement which they have given. So first we'll see what is the statement. See the string as it is. The input string is valid if the open brackets must be closed by the same type of brackets. The first thing, and open brackets must be closed in the same correct order, right? The order should be the same. This is an example true, and this example is true, and this is false because it's open but it is not respective of the close. Got it? And constraints, these are the constraints they asked, right? They will give the string contains only the particular symbols only. Now we'll see the what is the code for this particular program. Here, what is the first thing? Already told you we need a stack, right? So I'm going to implement the stack using a list, right? By using list, I'm going to implement the stack. S equal to, right? Yeah. Here I'm going to take one by one character, right? And as well as I'm going to maintain one top also. Top equal to initially 0, right? So for I in on character, directly I'm going to take the character, right? First I'm going to check whether my character is open parenthesis or closed parenthesis, right? If it is a open parenthesis, see, if it is a open parenthesis, what happened? I simply push into the stack, right? Yes or no? So open parenthesis. Open parenthesis. So we have three kinds of open parentheses are there, right? So first one is the open parenthesis flower bracket, and next one is the open parenthesis of function bracket, right? And last one is the open parenthesis of square bracket. Yes. Got it? So what I wrote here, observe clearly, if the symbol is open flower bracket, open function bracket, and open square bracket, if the current symbol is match with any of these three, then I need to push into the stack, right? Simply push into the stack. See, so s dot append of so I need to push into the I, right? After that I should increase my top value, right? Initially top value is 0. Then if you insert a symbol, then the value is goes to +1, right? Else means now you are at the, you got a closure parenthesis, right? If you get a closure parenthesis, you need to do two things. You need to pop the item, right? When you pop that, so you should reduce your stack t equal to t minus 1, as well as you need to pop the one element. So I'm going to take k as a temporary element, right? S dot pop means pop is a function. It is a predefined function in the stack, in the list. When you apply a pop, it is going to be the last element which you inserted, right? The same principle which you used in the stack. What is the stack concept? Stack is that first in, last out. The same concept follows the pop function also, right? Here I use the append and pop. Pop means it is going to remove the last element and place in the k, right? After this, here I need to check that whether the symbol is which kind of bracket, close parenthesis, which kind of bracket. See, if and one more thing, please note this. If l equal to 0, then you don't have any symbol in the stack. Still you are going to pop the element. Then it is going to generate the runtime error. So that case, so you need to stop the process and return the false. Why? So you don't have any open parenthesis, right? For example, if the string starts like this, then what happens when you get this kind of symbol? It simply comes to here, right? Then this time L value is 0. There is no elements in the stack, right? Still you are trying to pop the element. So simply it is going to return the runtime error. To avoid this, so when your length is 0, right? So so when the t value, your top value is 0, simply you should return false. Got it? When your top value is initially, when the top value is 0, then you don't have any elements in the stack. So simply you pop that, you stop the process and return the false. If the t value is not an empty, it's not a 0, then you reduce the t value and remove the pop element. Now you need to check that whether I is equal to you need to check that is a closed flower bracket. If it is a closed flower bracket, right? If it is a closed flower bracket and right, k is not equal to open braces. What it means? So you got a closed flower bracket, right? From the string, so a string is like this, right? See, so in the stack you have the symbol is in the stack, right? When you apply this one, so k value contains a open parenthesis and I value contains the close. So these two are matched. Then I need to check that whether the k contains respective closed brace or not. If not means the string is not balanced, right? The string is not balanced. So you simply return false. Simply return false. See, Alif, same concept. What is that? This time I'm going to check that square bracket. That square bracket is not matched with respective open braces. Then simply stop the process and else have a last option. What is that? In that case, so there also you should check that. Else if function bracket, close the function bracket, and you need to check that whether see, if it is not respective closure parenthesis, then you simply stop the process, right? After completion of this process, now you need to check that whether stack is an empty or not. Why this case occurs? So I'll tell you here. For example, here you have only open parenthesis. Then what happened? So every time you simply insert into the stack, right? End of the string you just come out of the loop. Then still the elements are the braces are there in the stack, right? So is this valid? No, this is not valid because there is no respective closure parenthesis. That is why the stack is not empty, right? If the t value is not 0, right? If the t value is not 0, you simply say that, see, if t equal to 0, then stack is empty, right? If the stack is empty, simply you return true, right? Else, then you need to return the false, right? Return the false, right? Let us check with this code. Yeah. Sorry. Yes. I got some error here. So what is the error? Else if, right here, yes, I equal to, right? Yes, the string is accepted. Let us check. Yeah, it's a wrong answer, right? So it's wrong answer. Why? Here the input is open and closed. Output is true, but here expected is false. Why? So somewhere we did a mistake. I equal to open brace. And here, see, if I equal to, here what you did, I equal to open parenthesis, then closure parenthesis, not equal to. Now you got the closure parenthesis of this one, but it is not K. Still, why it didn't return this one? So I need to check the stack here. t dot s dot append of I, right? So, oh, sorry, I did a one mistake here. What is that? Here I took the S1 and here I took the S1. That is the reason. Both use the same type, right? Got it. See, I done a mistake, but actually this is the wrong practice. Generally use the variable names respective. So if you use a stack here, then I didn't get such kind of mistakes. Got it? So what is the error? So here the given string is S earlier and I took the stack is also S. Both are the same. That is why it is going to give the wrong answer. Right? That is why I changed that. The string is S1. Now I got the right answer. Got it? This is the one of the application of stack. Parenthesis balancing. So what is the name of this one? Here valid parenthesis or balancing parenthesis, right? All comes under the same kind of problem. The companies also ask, most of the companies ask the same question in their interview process. Try to concentrate on this question. And the stack is the ideal thing. And what is the time complexity of this program? If you see the time complexity, see here I just solved this problem in a single pass only, right? Right? The number of characters there in the string. So the time complexity is big O of n, right? N is the length of string. N is the length of the string. That's all. Right? Stack is a data structure is used to solve the parenthesis balancing. Got it? So I'm going to show you the link of the particular problem. The link is, so here the Leetcode problems, valid parenthesis is the problem. Try to solve and practice it. Okay. So this will help you to improve our coding skills, the practice, and as well as the ranking also improves. So how many submissions are there in the daily, they'll count in the ranking process. Okay. Try to practice and more. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.